Yes. And look at the weather.
It's not good.
The things we do for you guys.
It's not good. Let's look over here. Look at this. I don't know if you can see this or not, but it's pretty rough.
If you guys didn't realise by now, it's cold. So back to February. Let's do this.
Okay, so you can hear dogs fighting in the background in somebody's backyard. Okay. Now
I'm a bit worried about what we're going to find around here.
yeah, I know it's a bit of a rougher area. I don't think anybody's magnet fish around here. Oh, we got
a metal pipe. A metal rod, guys.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Here we go. A sign of things to come. And what's down there?
It's plastic.
Just a bit of plastic. Bit of plastic over there. Buckets over there, ready for all the rest of the rubbish.
We don't know how this nuts and don't we?
Now, in theory, we should get some decent stuff here, you know, because it's right near to an old school that I used to go to.
That's a job for Tina.
Yeah, the roughest school in in the town, and I went there. Typical.
And there's a lot of stuff down here that's heavy. Too
Yeah,
heavy.
I think. Yeah.
Tina's coming out.
Tina's going to be coming out in a minute, I think. But I do get this funny feeling we get some decent stuff here. Oh, what we got
What
there?
is that? God, you can hear sirens going off now.
Yeah, the siren's going off.
Do you guys know what that is?
The things Ravengirl does for fans. Travels to any area. She got a bulletproof vest on.
I feel like one of those dudes, you know, when they have the top hats, like. I don't know what that is. If you know, leave a comment down below.
That's different.
Also, we've got 2 pennies.
Oh, right.
2p or not 2p?
Oh, God, not again.
That is a question.
Okay.
Did you see that? I got a penny.
Quick, get the magnet back in before all that muck is drifting down to where you've thrown the magnet. Very good. What are you doing now? Don't try and get that. Oh, right. It looks like a little... I don't know what it is. I don't want to look. Look at it all drifting down here now. This has got to be... I think this is the most disgusting area I think we've been in. It is, isn't it? Look at that. Look at all this rubbish. And we're magnet fishing in it. That's absolutely gross.
Things we do for you guys.
Yeah.
This is karma for not uploading in ages.
Yeah. This is payback for your lack of uploads recently.
I couldn't help it. God, this...
Oh, look at all this rubbish you got to go through. Any good? Oh, what's that? Oh, bottle top. There's got to be more than a bottle top in this area, I'm telling you.
Oh, 2p. 2p. 3p.
Oh, 3p. You get rich round here.
Someone probably dropped a bag of change in there. 4p.
Oh, look at all the rubbish. Oh, it's horrible.
It's 4p. 4p and not 4p.
Okay, a few more throws out here maybe. And then good long throws. Come on. That's just halfway across. You can do better than that, Ravengirl.
I don't know, the ropes were knotted down there.
Hold on, I'll grab the end. And then you can throw it further.
Excuse
That's it. Now you ain't got to worry now. You can throw it to heart's content. Oh, you got some it.
Whoa.
Oh, way up then.
Okay, let's start off with this.
Oh my god, you got a mixture. What's going on there?
I've got loads of cogs and gears.
Cogs and gears and stuff. Somebody will know what that is.
It's a bomb.
Carefully put it down on the side.
I don't know what that is, guys.
Don't drop that. Just wait. I don't think it's a bomb, but it looks like some load of cogs.
Got
That's interesting.
got a magnetic rod.
Oh yes, the usual rods.
Another penny, which I can't get off. But I'm curious.
I'm getting the light. Can't see in the.
What is that?
Yeah, come over this side.
Mindo. Don't press the button.
Really hard. There we go. That's more like it. We're in a dodgy area. We're going to get guns, weapons, tanks, missiles,
Yeah, bombs.
bodies, all sorts of things around here. The snow's stopped.
God. For now.
Yeah. Oh, she's getting all excited. Oh.
What's that?
What the hell? You got
Another bomb?
a metal pipe. A pipe bomb. A pipe bomb.
Okay, it's got the end. It has words on it somewhere. I saw it. Asda. Oh, it's off the trolley.
Are you joking? Oh yeah, that's right.
That's a bit of a coincidence.
That's the handle. Yeah, it is a bit of a coincidence, isn't it? Yeah. As we were
Coincidence.
doing
Maybe
Asda
not.
stores now. Yeah.
And also, 2p or not 2p.
No, not another one.
There's so much
Blimey.
money in this canal.
Told you, saw the school kids throwing coins in.
Got a weight from science class. It's got a bit of a ruler. More pennies.
Crikey.
Which I can't get off the magnet. More another penny. Which I too cannot get off the magnet. Yeah,
It's hard
got
to
one
get
off.
off, isn't it?
Just leave it on for now. Oh. I don't understand them on the bottom.
Okay, big throw. Oh, that was a good one. Look at that.
He's like, wee! Don't look now.
Oh no, no, I'm not looking down there. Absolutely disgusting. Look at it all. Oh. All this mucking.
Okay, something big down there for Tina.
Oh. Got something big.
Yeah.
Is
I
it?
ain't got it now.
Is it a Tina job? I may have to join you using Tina. I'm relegated now to grappling hooks.
As well.
Camera and grappling hook. Oh God.
What's that?
Oh, you got more money.
I know.
What's going on round here with the money?
I've got this thing.
A key? Is that a key?
Yeah, it's a key.
Yeah. You got some sort of key.
Cool. Okay, keep holding
It's
that.
a funny looking key, isn't it?
There's a bomb key. Okay. More money. 2p or not 2p? Got a shell. By the end of this, we're going to have to count up all the pennies we've had.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, guys, that's what we'll have to remember to do.
You'll have a pound at the end.
Spend it.
Yeah, in Asda.
Oh my god, that's cool. We've got a lot.
Oh, yeah. A little lock thing, yeah.
So much money.
It's mad, isn't it?
How much money did you drop in this canal?
I never did it.
You didn't have any money.
No, I never had anybody to drop in, that's right.
If I remember correctly.
I was a poor school kid. There's a lot of random stuff floating by.
No. More random than others.
Any good? Oh, she's got something else. What's this now you got?
Okay, we've got a pipe.
Oh, not another pipe thing.
And we've got a battery.
Oh, and a battery. What do you do with the batteries? What's that thing you do? Yes! You missed.
Got a ring. Will you marry me?
Yeah.
Still a failure. Bike stuff. That looks like a mini spanner.
Oh, yeah.
Not so much of a failure. And more money.
And more money.
Still failure.
Crikey. What you got?
You've got a clue what that is.
Some sort of hook.
Penny.
Oh, it's yeah, look. Go on the wall, it's a coat hanger thing.
Oh, that's cool. Did you used to use that when you were a kid? Like in 1982.
Yeah, I go on the wall, look. Hang your leather jacket on it.
The pen, did you use that?
I never chucked anything in the canal when I was a kid.
Is that good?
To be honest, when I was on the way home out of the school, just up the road there, I used to be running across here to get home.
You really hated school.
I hated school with a passion. That's every school, not just the one. I just hated them all. I didn't want to go.
Did you ever used to pretend to be sick to get out of going to school?
No, actually, I never did that. I was tempted though. Whoa, you've got something decent.
Chisel.
Hey.
That's pretty cool. It's really thin.
Yeah, that's a fin chisel, that one.
Maybe
And
it's
it's,
like special. Like
you probably still work it.
Hold on.
What? Oh, hey, oh, she's got something else. Let me get this side because I can't see.
I'm managing. I
Getting
didn't
the
actually
the
check.
light.
Look at the thing on the 2p. That ain't normal 2p.
You have to check that out later. Yeah,
It's pretty darn cool.
you have to have a look at that later. See what coin it is. Might be a really, really old one.
It says pence on.
Yeah, it could be an old 1 pence. No, because the 1 pence, the old 1 pence were big, you know.
No, it said a 2p on there.
Did it? Oh, right.
There is a penny though.
Yeah. I thought it was one of the old 1 pences you used to get. Go
No,
this
it's two,
side
wasn't it?
before the snow comes down again. But it is starting to come down now.
No. Walking in a winter wonderland.
Cameraman standing out in the snow.
Well, it's getting dark now.
Oh, this weather's getting terrible. Oh my word! Oh, what? Oh, what? This is not good. This is not good. Look at all this. Oh, what? I can't see you hardly. This is what we have to contend with here in Britain in the winter time. Oh, you got an old registration plate. That's a really old one. That's a key for that one, definitely. Oh my God, there's my car up there, look. Oh, I just feel like getting inside it, putting the heating on. I'm getting out of the snow. Whoa. Oh dear. This is... This ain't very nice. Whoa. Look at that. Look at that now. God blimey. I think, to be honest, we'll come out the wrong day. Oh no, that ain't another horrible mucky pair of pants or something, is it? Oh hey, you're gonna have a coin on there.
Serious?
This is ridiculous.
Another penny.
I don't believe it.
We're definitely
Oh my God, look at this. Look at that weather. I can't even see the field over there anymore.
When did we do this again? Explain that to me.
Oh, that's it, chucking all that muck. Have you noticed how this muck on the top has gone left? Now it's going right.
It's following where we're going.
It's following where we're going.
That's like we're in a light bulb going.
Yeah. That's disgusting. That's not funny.
Why are you laughing?
Oh, it's come through underneath. Hey, you got. Oh, I know what that is. Go on, you tell me what that is.
Exhaust.
Yeah, that's an exhaust.
That's an interesting find.
Very mucky find. Oh, she's got something. She's got something.
No, that looks like an old book. Hey, I know what that is.
What is it?
Well, it might not be, but I think I know what that is. When you had, oh wow, it's a lot of money. But you'd have like, you'd put paper and then you go.
Oh, guillotine. You think it's part of a guillotine?
Maybe. Also, how much money is in this canal?
You got more money.
2 more 2p's, 2p or not 2p, and 1 more penny.
That's unbelievable. What you got so far now? About 20p or more.
Keep going.
Oh, you can see that field now in the distance. Look.
Yay! Oh, that looks great.
God.
Scenery shots.
Yeah.
Oh, there's another penny here as well.
That's unreal.
Oh, there's another one too.
Isn't it weird?
I can't get that off, so I just keep going.
That's mad.
Are you ready?
That was a lazy throw. That's terrible. I think it's time for Tina to pop out now. Okay.
I'm so sorry, Tina.
Yes. Really bad jokes today. Yes. Splashing leg. Yeah, I don't think it's bad. Pull out other stuff. Pull out.
Look at your camera.
Oh. Look what she does. She abuses me.
Excuse me.
I got like a bike chain or something. Bike chain there. Can you see that? Not very clear on there, but I've got some little metal plate, whatever it is, and it looks like a hinge. Yeah, it's definitely a hinge out of a kitchen cupboard hinge or something. That's about it, really.
I was walking in the rain through the lonely city streets. I felt lonely, lost and hopeless, like a little child in need. Am I